Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to locate your wallpapers and lock screen images on your Windows computer guys. You particularly like the images, you just wanted to see where it is saved in your PC. I show you guys how to locate that. For that, go to File Explorer, click on it and go to this PC. This PC in here indicates with Windows icon over here, little Windows icon over here. You just want to click on it, the local disk C, and go to Windows folder. In here you need to search for web folder guys, WEB. Double click on it, and here is the wallpapers images here, 4K images here, screen lock screen images here guys. Whenever you are, this is default Windows 11 images guys. This will saved in every PC by default. These images I particularly like it, this one and this one. This is so beautiful. And I show you guys another folders, 4K images. There are two images, 4K images there guys. One is the light blue one and dark blue one. And go back again. I show guys touch keyboard images. There is 4, 3, 6, 7, 8 images there guys. There are super cool touch screen image keyboard images. Touch keyboard images. There are cool guys. This blue one is super cool. And close out of here guys, I show you guys another folder. There is wallpapers folder in here. Click on it, and here are so many pictures in here guys. Flow pictures will be here. There are 4 images, and glow images here guys. There are 4 images, and captured motion. There are 3-4 images, and spotlight. There are 2 images guys, spotlight images. And sunrises, there are 4 images guys. This is so beautiful. So cool guys. These 4 images are different, but seeing is everything is same like that, but not same guys. And go back again, go to Windows folder. There are 2 images guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.